Hi folks, this is Shefik. Today we are going to talk about face alignment for facial recognition. Alignment is an early stage of a modern facial recognition pipeline coming after the detection. We have to have the coordinates of the eyes to align a face. Luckily, modern face detectors find facial landmarks including eyes. In the study, we are going to use RetinaFace face detector and align faces manually. I mean that all alignment logic will be handled from scratch. Before begin, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your all support in advance. Let's mention the math behind the alignment first. Suppose that the right eye is a little bit above the left eye. The question is that how many degrees should I rotate the image to have both eyes in a horizontal line? Let's show the eyes on a coordinate plane. This intersection point should have x value of the right eye and the y value of the left eye. So its coordinate will be x1 and y2. Let's focus on the triangle mentioned with red lines. Its horizontal corner will be x2 minus x1, whereas its vertical corner will be y1 minus y2. In that way, we can find the hypotenuse as well. Let's simplify the triangle. We have its three corner lengths. So cosine rule says that cosine of alpha is going to be b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2 times its neighbors b and c. We are going to apply this formula to find alpha, then rotate the image alpha degrees to have an aligned face. This study requires RetinaFace dependency. That's why I'm going to import that library first from RetinaFace. Import RetinaFace. If you haven't installed this package yet, then you should run pip install retina-face command. Then we will read the facial image. That's why I'm going to create its path as argument, and it's going to be under deep face tests dataset and image 11.jpg. Notice that this is the image we are going to align. Now we are able to use functions on the RetinaFace interface, and we are going to use detect-faces command and pass image path as input. Image path is going to be image path, and this is going to be my response. Let's look at the response. Confidence score is 99%, which is very high. These are the facial area of that picture, and those are the landmarks including right and left eye. Let's get right and left eye coordinates from this dictionary. Get face 1, then get its landmarks, and finally get its right eye. Similarly, do it for the left eye as well. Please remember that coordinates of the right eye is x1 and y1. x1 and y1. Similarly, coordinates of the left eye is x2 and y2. So we can do those calculations now. A is equal to y1 minus y2, and b is equal to x2 minus x1, and c is equal to a squared plus b squared, and we also need to import the math module of the Python, and this should be math dot square root. Then cosine of alpha is going to be b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2 times b times c. But before running this calculation, I wonder the content of a, b and c. As seen, a has a negative value, but it has to be a positive value. That's why I'm going to call absolute function when calculating a and b. Now it's positive, and let's find cosine alpha, and it's 0.94. I actually need the alpha value, that's why I'm going to import numpy here, and alpha is going to be numpy dot arc cosine, and we will pass cosine alpha here, and alpha is 0.34. Alpha value is in radius. I actually convert this radius to the degrees. If you are going to multiply this alpha value to 180, then divide it to mat.p, then it's going to be degrees, and alpha is 19 degrees. So we are going to rotate this base image to 19 degrees to have a aligned face. Let's import the image first. I'm going to import OpenCV module, then here read the base image, and it's going to be OpenCV dot inbreed, and pass image path as input. We are going to also need plow module to rotate image. That's why I'm going to import plow like that from pil import image. This new image is going to be image dot from array, and we are going to pass base image. Then we are going to call new image dot rotate. Actually we should name this aligned image, and aligned image dot rotate, and we are going to align this image with alpha degrees. Also set this to numpy array, and assign this aligned image itself as well. We can plot the aligned image, but we also need matplotlib dependency. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and here we are going to call plt.imshow and pass aligned image as input. We can actually show the original colors just like that. Eyes are in horizontal line now, so alignment succeeded. So we have mentioned how to align faces with cosine rule. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Finally, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.